Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we are celebrating the memorial of Saint Pius VI. He was the Pope, and he is known to be the Pope who continued the Second Vatican Council after the death of Pope John the 23rd, or Saint John the 23rd now, and he finished the Second Vatican Council, and he is known for the encyclical Humanae Vitae. Brothers and sisters, we who believe in the Lord are meant to bear fruits. Otherwise, we are useless or nothing. In our gospel reading today, we encountered Jesus who entered Jerusalem. So the Gospel of Saint Mark is at the end of this gospel, and for our gospel reading today is at the culmination of the Gospel of Saint Mark, and we find Jesus in Jerusalem, and there the following day he left Bethany, and as he was walking, he was hungry, and so he saw the fig tree, pero walang bunga. Pero alam naman ni Jesus na hindi pa panahon ng fig tree na magbunga. Pero sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon, quote and quote, Jesus cursed the tree. Sabi niya, "May no one ever eat of your fruit again." My dear friends, Jesus was not just cursing the tree, but he actually used this incident to as a parable to teach his disciples and those who were listening to him. Dito natin makikita yung talagang punto ni Jesus kung saan pumasok siya sa templo, and there he saw nagalit si Jesus. In his righteous anger, he overturned the tables because the people there made the house of the Father of God as a den of thieves. Here, my dear brothers and sisters, the Lord is simply pointing to us the need to bear fruits, that our interiority should bring about good works. It should our holiness, our interior life should be mirrored in good works, na sinasalamin yung kabanalan natin sa paggawa ng mabuti. Otherwise, we become hypocrites. And so, brothers and sisters, our relationship with God, which shapes our interior life, our interiority, propels us to put our relationship with God into fruitful service, especially sa ating ugnayan o relasyon sa ating kapwa-tao. Nawa yung ating relasyon sa Diyos ay magbunga sa ating paglilingkod sa ating kapwa. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.